Every Klein Vision AirCar begins with aerospace-grade materials. Each component is inspected before production starts. Only certified aerospace materials move into production. Precision inspection guarantees flight safety. Precision cutting forms the foundation of the AirCar frame. Every measurement follows aerospace tolerances. CNC machining prepares every structural connection. Micron accuracy ensures perfect assembly. Robotic welding creates an exceptionally strong airframe. Each weld is monitored for maximum reliability. Laser inspection verifies perfect frame alignment. Accuracy is essential for road and flight performance. Surface preparation improves durability. The clean frame is ready for protective treatment. A durable coating protects the AirCar frame. The finish withstands demanding operating conditions. Controlled heat permanently bonds the coating. The chassis is now ready for assembly. Carbon fiber provides exceptional strength with low weight. Each panel is carefully laminated. Autoclave curing maximizes composite strength. The body panels achieve aerospace quality. Each panel is trimmed with extreme precision. Perfect fit is essential for aerodynamic performance. Every mounting point is precisely engineered. Alignment is critical for structural integrity. The lightweight body joins the aerospace frame. Every fastener is torque-controlled for safety. The AirCar now takes on its recognizable shape. Next comes the advanced cockpit and control systems. The cockpit frame strengthens the passenger compartment. Every connection is tightened to aerospace standards. The dashboard foundation prepares the cockpit for advanced electronics. Precision alignment prevents future vibration. The wiring harness connects every major onboard system. Each connector is protected against vibration. The onboard computers control both driving and flying systems. Every module is digitally verified. The advanced cockpit combines automotive and aviation displays. Every screen is tested before final assembly. The hybrid control system supports both road and air operation. Every movement is carefully calibrated. Mechanical linkages transfer every pilot command accurately. Smooth operation is essential for safe flight. The reinforced engine bay is prepared for power installation. Vibration isolation improves reliability. The heart of the AirCar is ready for installation. Every engine undergoes detailed inspection. The aircraft engine becomes part of the AirCar structure. Precision mounting ensures smooth performance. Fuel and cooling systems support reliable engine operation. Every connection is leak tested. Electronic controls synchronize engine performance. Every connector is verified before testing.
The drive system transfers engine power efficiently. Perfect alignment reduces vibration.
The composite propeller is carefully balanced. Every bolt is tightened to exact specifications. The AirCar's transforming wings begin with lightweight carbon fiber. Every hinge is measured for perfect alignment. Strong hinge assemblies enable reliable wing deployment. Every fastener meets aerospace torque specifications. The primary wing structure is now taking shape. Carbon fiber keeps the aircraft both strong and lightweight. The internal wing framework provides exceptional rigidity. Composite construction reduces overall aircraft weight. The aerodynamic wing surface is carefully assembled. Every panel contributes to efficient flight performance. Precision trimming creates the final wing profile. Accurate contours improve aerodynamic efficiency. The wing control surfaces allow precise flight control. Every hinge is checked for smooth operation. Electric actuators power the AirCar's transforming wings. Precise synchronization is essential.
Actuator travel is nominal. We have full extension.
Confirmed. All systems are green.
The AirCar demonstrates its signature transforming technology. Every movement is carefully monitored.
Strong locking systems secure the wings during flight. Safety remains the highest priority. The tail structure provides stability during flight. It is built using lightweight composite materials. The vertical stabilizer improves directional stability. Laser alignment ensures perfect positioning. Horizontal stabilizers balance the aircraft in flight. Each control surface moves with precision. The AirCar enters the finishing stage with aerospace-grade primer. A flawless surface prepares it for premium paint. Robotic painting delivers a smooth, durable finish. Every layer is applied with exceptional precision. Controlled heat permanently cures the premium finish. The surface is now ready for detailing.
Every panel is polished to a flawless finish. The AirCar now reflects its premium craftsmanship.
The handcrafted interior combines luxury with advanced technology. Premium materials complete the passenger cabin.
The panoramic canopy provides outstanding visibility. Every seal is inspected for long-term durability.
The AirCar comes to life as its electronics are activated. Every onboard system is carefully monitored.
The engine completes its first successful startup. Performance data is analyzed in real time.
Road performance is verified before flight testing. The AirCar must excel in both driving and aviation.
The signature transformation system performs flawlessly. The vehicle is now ready for taxi testing.
Taxi testing confirms runway handling and stability. Everything is ready for the first flight.
The AirCar achieves a smooth and controlled takeoff. Years of engineering are proven in this moment.
Every flight system performs within design specifications. The AirCar demonstrates stable and efficient flight. From raw aerospace materials to a roadable aircraft, the Klein Vision AirCar represents advanced engineering and precision.